Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. So, what is the quadratic approximation of the function under root of 4 plus x at x equals to 0? So basically, we can use the Taylor approximation, and we know that f of a plus f prime of a over 1 factorial times x prime plus x to the power of 1 plus f double prime of a over 2 factorial times x to the power of 2. We can use this to approximate our answer. And so the first step we should do is find out a is equals to 0 in our case. And the second thing we should do is find out f of x, f of f prime of x, and f double prime of x. So we know f of x is equals to 4 plus x. F single prime of x is equals to, so let me just make a line here. So f single prime of x is equals to half 4 plus x minus half, and f double prime of x equals to minus 1 over 4 plus x to the power of minus 3 by 2. And we would know that f of 0 equals to 2, because when we substitute in 0 we would get under root of 4, which is 2. F dash of 0 would give us 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 over 4. Now let's substitute in f double prime of 0. This would give us minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 to the power of 3 by 2, which is equals to minus 1 over 32. So now that we have all of these, we know that we're trying to approximate under root of 4 plus x. So therefore under root, let me write this in a different color. So under root of 4 plus x is approximately equal to, so we've been given this formula, we know f a is 0, so f of 0, which we know to be 2. So I can just write 2 instead. So we're just simply plugging in our values, these values into this formula. So let's do that. That would give us 2 plus 1 over 4 to the x power of 1, which is just x, minus 1 over 60, 1 over 64 to the power of x squared. And this should be our final answer. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.